Taita, Quantum Leap. In 2489, Captain Ilara Voss boarded Solwave 1, Earth's first quantum jump cruiser. Her mission: reach Kepler 186, humanity's future colony. As the engines roared, she watched Earth shrink behind her. Inside the ship, silence hummed through polished halls. At 3:16 UTC, Ilara activated the quantum core. Stars warped, space folded. In an instant, Solwave 1 emerged near Kepler's twin suns. Ilara whispered, "We made it." Behind her, a message blinked. Unauthorized presence detected. Kepler 186 wasn't uninhabited, and they were already watching.